In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix payment method decline on Cash App. So if your payment method is declined on Cash App, it could be due to multiple different reasons. And in this video, we're going to be going over the most common causes and how to fix them. So the first thing you want to do is you want to check your payment details. So let's say you're trying to go ahead and add a debit card as a payment method over on Cash App. What you would need to do is you would need to double check that the card is actually correct, including the expiration date, the CVV, and billing address entered in Cash App. If any details are incorrect or outdated, then you could be experiencing this issue. So the point is, you want to make sure that your card is up to date and that all the information is correct. So let's just say you recently got a brand new debit card. You need to actually update Cash App and you need to add your new debit card. So it's really important that you double check that the payment information is correct and up to date. The next thing you want to do is you want to verify that you have a sufficient amount of funds. So confirm that your linked bank account or card has enough funds to cover whatever transaction you're trying to do. Pending transactions may reduce your available balance even if they haven't cleared yet. So if you need to, please add funds to your Cash App account if needed. The next thing you want to do is you want to double check that you have a stable internet connection. So you always want to make sure you have a strong and secure internet or Wi-Fi connection. Try to avoid using public Wi-Fi as it may be slow or unsafe, and what you could also do is alternate between using Wi-Fi and mobile data and see if any of those actually perform better than the other. And also, please make sure that your Cash App account is verified. So if your Cash App account is not verified, then you are limited to sending $250 per week. So if you exceed this limit, you may run into some issues. So please verify your Cash App account if you haven't already. And it's typically going to give you like a widget towards the top saying that you need to verify your Cash App account. So if you see something like that, please verify it because it is really important. But if none of these methods are working and you need to send a payment fast, then what I personally recommend doing is trying an alternative payment method. So try to go ahead and add a different debit card or credit card or even link another bank account to Cash App in order to complete the transaction, especially if it's a transaction that you need to do right away. But if none of those things work, then go ahead and contact the Cash App customer service right over here. So this is the Cash App customer service number. You would need to go ahead and call them and explain your situation and explain to them that you're trying to do a transaction, but your payment method isn't working despite everything else you have tried, and they will attempt to help you out and guide you through this error. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.